everybody doing? Good. How's this side over here? That side? Middle? Fantastic. Welcome to Saturday. How many of you are from out of town? Welcome. Fantastic. Any locals in the house? Okay. Fantastic. Applause for the local. So you give you great advice, I can tell you right now. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Robert. This is Chris. Please give him a round of applause. And we are your professional piano dance team here at FAO Schwarz. We are here because of a film that was shot 22 years ago downstairs. That film was called... It starred Tom. Our first number is Chop. Ladies and gentlemen, this is indeed a live performance. Every note that we're playing is happening right here, so if we hit a wrong note, it lights up. Sure. Our next number is also from the film. It's called Heart and time, say yeah! You're having a really good time, say oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's with yours. Oh yeah. You got it. Alright, the next number is a ragtime piece by Mr. Scott Joplin. You might recognize it from the ice cream truck. Who likes ice cream?
Me.
Me too. It's called The Entertainer. Now, in honor of our local in the house, we are going to play a song about the city you're in right now. What city is that? The city's so nice, they named it twice. Sing along.